Hello everyone, in this video, we will discuss how to find products on Amazon that are usually easy to get approved for. The first step is to look at the categories. Some categories are known to be open, meaning most products inside them do not need approval. These include home and kitchen, sports and outdoors, office supplies, and toys for most of the year. On the other hand, some categories are restricted. Beauty, health, grocery, and certain electronics often require extra steps before you can sell. Knowing this helps you avoid products that may be harder to list. When you browse Amazon, choose products inside open categories. For example, look at basic household items, kitchen tools, sports gear, or office stationery. These kinds of products are often easy to approve compared to supplements, skincare, or branded luxury items. Another tip is to start with unbranded or generic products. Well-known brand names may be restricted, but simple items without heavy branding are usually more flexible. By focusing on open categories, choosing unbranded items, and avoiding restricted groups like health and beauty, you can quickly find products that are easier to sell on Amazon. Thanks for watching.